we have to our north Syria, to our east Syria, and to the south below here, you can see it, Israel. And Lebanon has basically two mountain ranges that go from north to south. The first one is here, Mount Lebanon, and the second one is Mount Anti-Lebanon, which is here. And in the middle, between these two mountains, you have, sorry, I'm going to do Swigglies, but you have basically the Bekaa Valley. Now, that's extremely important because these two mountains go up to 10,000. This one has the highest peak is 3,000 something meters, so 10,000 feet. This one is a bit lower, the border with Syria. But they are important because they effectively protect the Bekaa Valley in the middle from, the very hot weather coming from Syria. So here you have, more desert-like climate. So this anti-Lebanon range of mountains will protect the Bekaa Valley from the desert-like temperatures. And here you have the sea, which is very humid. And again, this chain of mountains, the Mount Lebanon, which is in the middle of the country, will protect the Bekaa Valley from humidity. So you end up with a microclimate that's very unique to Lebanon, and that allows basically to grow the grapes that we grow. The Bekaa Valley itself is at 3,000 feet of altitude. Now let me maybe get rid of all these things here. And just to come back to Baalbek, which we mentioned earlier, so the Temple of Bacchus. So Baalbek is here. And this is where the Romans built the Temple of Baalbek, more than 2,000 years ago. Now, the other thing you might notice is this. You can see that our grapes, for the reds, are mostly located in the Bekaa Valley in this area. The whites are mostly in this area, mostly, although there are some others that are located on the coastline as well. But I guess the important point is this blue. Sorry, I'm doing again Swigglies, but it's the best I can do. This is where the winery is located. Now, to take the grapes from the Bekaa Valley to the winery is usually 3 hours by truck. So we would load all the grapes in huge trucks, 10, 15 tons, and then just drive them to the winery.